Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a human carrying the moon using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all guys, you're going to open a Pippit AI website, then you're going to sign in to get free credits, and then go to the home menu and add your prompt here. This is the prompt I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna upload my photo. Hold on guys, I'm still looking for my photo. Okay, I'm gonna use this photo, and then I'm going to upload the prompt and also the photo to AI. And now it's still generating and preparing for the photos. Alright, done for the image guys, and this is the result. It looks cool. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download button, or if you want to regenerate, just click on regenerate here or here. Okay guys, and that's how you can create a human carrying the moon using Pippit AI for free.